this video about effect of vehicle to grid system. This system contains four different major parts. One is three-phase source, second vehicle to grid, third PV form, and final fourth one is diesel generator. The last part of the system is residential load. This three-phase grid has a 18 kilovolt rating, and PV form has 6 megawatt rating, and diesel generator contains 15 megawatts rating. So here V2G working like when the process happens throughout the day, it's control that charge of the battery linked to it, and it's utilize that available power to manage the grid system. Here we can check that system scopes. So source data belongs to three-phase grid. So here we can check that source data, signal response, and this scope shows that microgrid result with microgrid result of voltage, current, active and reactive power. And this one for PV form scope, and this is the load data, and this is the residential load data, and this is the regulation, that vehicle to grid system regulation data, and this is the charge data of electric vehicles, and this is state of charge of vehicle to grid model. So in vehicle to grid model, here we have used 5 different profiles. So these are the 5 different SOC of that vehicle to grid technology. Here we can check that power measurement of the system. So this shows the total power of the system, and this shows only the active power of the system.